Raising gas is started. Stormtrooper first to show quickness at the start. Moving up on the outside, compelled to lead. Down on the inside, Money Queen. Asikuda punchline. My Sweet Leonora, inner class high earnings her. Brian Gintong, Gantimpala. While Lucky Lorky is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have compelled to lead, maintaining a length and a half lead. Money Queen is right behind in second. A length further back in third comes Punchline. Moving up on the outside, My Sweet Leonora. Asikura in the middle portion. Inner class comes next. Then followed by Stormtrooper. Zer Ryan Gintong Gantimpala. Down on the inside, Lucky Lorky. While High Earnings now racing in less inside the Tres Octavo. Two entries are matching their strides together. Moving up on the outside, Money Queen by the nose, compelled to lead is down on the inside. 3 lengths further back in third comes Punchline. My Sweet Leonora, inner class, Gintong Gantimpala. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have Money Queen now takes command. Compelled to lead. Punchline is on the outside with about 100 meters of the race. We have Money Queen by about 2 lengths. Followed now by Punchline. Last 25 meters, it's all Money Queen. Punchline, then comes compelled to lead inner class, My Sweet Leonora and Lucky Lorky for yours.
Galing. May dahilan na